My name is Gurdeep Singh Babbar. Welcome back to my channel, Gurdeep Academy. I have five cards: one, two, three, four, and five. Yeah, you remember this number? This is five of heart, two of heart, three of heart, A of spades, and Q of clubs. I have five cards. This is empty hanky. I keep it here like this. My both heart hands empty. I take it one, two, and three cards out. Yes, this is three card. One, two, and three. Yes, this is the three cards. One, two, and three. There is a two cards, and this is Gurdeep's magic. Yes, the two cards are gone. That's Gurdeep's magic. If you want to learn, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And you can also download my Gurdeep Academy app from Google Play Store. I am in Singapore and watch magic again. Thank you.